So hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So last week I had an opportunity to go to Atlanta. On top of having a really amazing time, I had to check out a couple of furniture stores. I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys what I ended up finding. This store was absolutely beautiful. It is the epitome of interior design. It is just absolutely luxe. I was so in love with this desk right here. This was really cute for an entryway or an office area. I thought it was really nice in the chair. Of course, you guys already know I love a good stud detail, and it definitely was not shy of that. Moving right along to the other side of the wall, they had this wall built up, which was really nice. It had a really nice, soft, creamy, elegant look, which was very feminine, but the accent pieces on here gave a really masculine feel. What I'm touching now is that grass cloth wallpaper. You guys, if you ever had an opportunity to see or even touch it, you will understand my love for it. I have the new wallpaper in the bathroom downstairs, which is what this is mimicking, but there's no comparison, to be honest with you. But this is absolutely gorgeous. And then I'm just gonna kind of go around the store to show you guys a few more things that I kind of fell in love with. Of course, you guys know I'm always about a good natural wood element, and this chair with the cream back was absolutely gorgeous. This sectional was set up in one of the rooms. I can't remember if it was in the beginning or towards the back, but this room was set up and it was absolutely gorgeous. You guys already know I'm into like the whole creamy thing right now. It just gives me this really nice, soft, elegant look. And the chandelier was absolutely gorgeous. But that whole monochromatic look for me just gives it a really, really nice look. But moving right along, this chair was absolutely gorgeous, and you guys, it was only marked for about $400, which I thought was really great because the original price was, I think, $1,200, so that was a really great deal. And I'm probably going to copy this because this table decor looked so good to me. I really love it, and I know I could find these at Hobby Lobby, so you're probably gonna end up seeing this on my channel. So if you do see it, this is where I found it. So moving on to the back of the room, this cowhide rug was absolutely gorgeous, but this creamy lavender sectional was everything. It was so freaking gorgeous. I wish I had room for it in the house. I don't, so I had to stay in the store, but if I didn't, it would have definitely been coming home with us. And then of course this gray wing back. And then I also spotted these really cute bar stools. I don't need them, but they were really nice. They had this really nice tweed fabric. It was made with this really nice tweed fabric. It was really nice. Now I'm going to be going into the main showroom, and you guys, let me just tell you, I am going to be doing a furniture breakdown on my channel to really give you the exclusive look into why we decided to go a little bit more high end with the furniture pieces in different furniture brands. But anyway, these chairs were absolutely gorgeous, and they paired it with this gorgeous sectional. And look at my pillows. Well, they're not my pillows, but these pillows here were about $250 a piece. Mine were not that much. You know, I got mine on overstock, but I was pleasantly surprised to see these pillows. They were picking up from the sectional itself. It had this really nice intertwining of this blue and that nice teal color, so they was picking that up. In the middle table is, I think it's concrete or some sort of metal, if I'm not mistaken. I really didn't pay any attention to that. So moving right along to the next room. This room is all cream, you guys, and again, I think just having that really nice monochromatic look of creams and a metal is just absolutely gorgeous. I really do love it. It just really looks nice and elegant and super chic. This is another layout of another room. Unfortunately, you guys, my phone ended up dying, but I did take pictures, and these pictures are absolutely gorgeous. The next store that I ended up going to, but unfortunately my camera ended up dying, is Circa Lighting in Atlanta. The lighting company is a little bit higher than what you would find at your local Home Goods or Home Depot, but the lighting is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm definitely planning on investing on some really good lighting. The next store that I ended up going into is Outrageous Interiors. The store was absolutely gorgeous. The pictures I'm showing you now are pictures off of their Instagram. I will be leaving a link down in the bio if you're interested. You could definitely check them out. The next store that we ended up going into is American Signature Furniture, where I found this beautiful sideboard. You guys, it is absolutely gorgeous and is coming home. When it comes, I'll give you the full deets. And then I ended up going into Ashley Homestore. This is the wingback, well, I should say singular seat, that I ended up finding at Ashley. It still hasn't been delivered just yet, but when it does, I will definitely be sharing that with you guys. But that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, some really nice luxe high-end interior stores, and you want to see it, maybe you just want to get ideas or something like that, feel free to comment down below. That way you can see some more. I will see you guys next time. Bye.